Hey guys, welcome to complete Nuxt.js and a Vue.js course. My name is Philip, I am an experienced software engineer and a creator of many popular courses here on Udemy. In this course, I will be your instructor. Without any further introduction, let's take a look what we are going to work on. In this course, I will walk you through development in a massively popular Nuxt.js and the Vue.js framework. You will go on a journey to become independent developers that understand code they are writing. I am always making sure every line of code is well understood. The course is divided into three main parts, slowly transitioning from beginner to advanced concepts. In each part we'll be working on a new unique project. First project is targeting beginner developers. We'll be working on Todo application and I will be explaining basics of Vue.js framework. I will go into details of HTML and CSS. Lectures are longer and I will go into lots of details. In a second project, we'll recapitulate some basics from first project and I will start explaining Nuxt.js framework. We'll be working on simple application where users can create, delete and manage various posts. Application will consist of multiple screens and interesting functionalities. Last, third project is the longest and most detailed one. We'll be working on tons of interesting features. You will learn how to create beautiful self-promotion application with admin dashboard. Last project consists of multiple sections. In the first section, I will be explaining authentication, including register and login functionality. You will not just learn how to authenticate users, but I will be explaining also form validation with Validate package. Next, we'll start working on functionality to create products. In my case, I'll be working with courses as my products, but you can choose product of your choice. Application is customizable. In the next part, we'll be creating manage feature for products. You will learn how to create new custom inputs and how to manage data flow in your forms. Later, we'll start working on a feature to create blocks. We will integrate block editor containing different formatting options and a functionality to edit and publish blocks. We'll be displaying published and feature blocks and I will teach you how to create pagination feature. In last sections, I will explain you SEO and will implement SEO improvements into our application. After all of this, we will finally deploy our application to Heroku, so it's accessible to anyone on the internet. Alright guys, that should be it from short introduction. There is much more prepared for you to discover in the course. If you want to know more details about the projects we'll be working on, you can find them of course in the next lecture. I hope you will have fun programming with me. I wish you good luck and I hope to see you in the lessons. Cheers guys!